All right, guys, so this video is about volatility 10-1s. I know I'm trading crash 1000 right now. I've got a lot of spikes already and I'm in good profit, but this is not what I want to talk about in this video. I want to show you guys how I did it on volatility 10-1s. Okay, so stay glued to the channel. Make sure you watch it to the end, guys. The strategy that is giving me these spikes that you can see on the crash 1000, I have already talked about it, is on the channel. Make sure you watch my recent videos. You see how you can do that yourself. All right, so just quickly, let's go to the 30 minutes time frame on volatility 10-1 second, guys. You can see that counting with me, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks. Now we all know that each candlestick on each of these time frames form according to the time frame, right? That means in the 30 minutes time frame, it takes 30 minutes interval for every candlestick to complete, for a candlestick to open and close, right? So in this case, the market opens here, close here, another one opens, closed, right? Opens again, closes, another one opens here, closes, like that. So you can count with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, 2 hours, 2 hours 30 minutes, guys. In 2 hours 30 minutes, you've been able to raise $170, right? Just from this one trade. This one trade, guys. This one trade. I mean, this one position, guys. I think I closed out. I opened like 2 positions. I already closed out 2. All right, so just this one position already, in 2 hours 30 minutes, you already have 180, over $180, and it's still counting. It's still counting, guys. So how do you make, you can see it's a sniper entry, right? You can see the entry here. This is where I supposed my SL to be, but I actually just took it out because already we are flying, right? So I'm not expecting to hold trade for so long again. I closed out 2 positions, like I said, and I'm holding this one just to show you guys this just to make this video for you guys. So you can see this is supposed to be my SL around this level. I wouldn't want to put it here. I'll take it, I'll respect this candlestick here and place my SL just below it. All right, why I'm placing my SL below the structure here is because this is a buy trade. Okay, if you're buying, your SL should be below your entry. All right, especially below a structure around your entry. All right, any structure you see around your entry should be where you base your SL. Okay, so you can see we are in good profit, and I want to show you guys how you can do this easy, at ease, with your phone. Okay, you can do it with your phone, you can do it with your laptop. You just have to use your eyes and see the market and see what the market is doing. All right, so this is as easy as you just understanding the trend of the market and following it. It's very simple. All right, it's very simple, guys. Trust me, it's very simple. When I say it's simple, it doesn't mean you can just wake up and do it. You have to follow the instructions I'll be sharing in this video, and if you get it right and then you practice it over time, trust me, you can just wake up and do it. All right, sometimes I just wake up and open my chart and I see familiar setup, familiar movement, and I'm already in trade and I'm making profit already because I am conversant with the algorithm of this platform. Also, I'm conversant with the market movement and all of that. I also have it in mind always that I'm not trading against the trend. I am not trading against the trend. Sometimes some traders tend to go aggressive and do it against the trend. It works for a lot of people sometimes, but some of the times that I've tried it, it's sometimes that has worked for me, but the other times it fails, and I really don't want to maximize my losses instead of my gains, right? I should be looking for how to make more profits, to maximize my chances of winning instead of taking chances to lose at the end of the day, right? So I'm not trading against the trend. I'm not trading against the trend. I want to always see that my market is the market I'm trading on is going in a certain direction already. I need to see a clear direction already before I decide that, this is what I want to be doing. And when I make that decision, I want to now look for a proper entry. All right, a proper entry before I execute. All right, before I take a trade, I already know that I want to be buying. Before I buy, I already know I want to be buying. before I sell. I already know right from when I'm looking at the first when I'm first looking at the charts. I already know that I want to be buying or I want to be selling. That means you need to always follow the direction of the market. So you can see here, you can see that the market here has been pushing upwards. Yeah, don't mind how I am I'm supposed to be going from under to the top, but I came from this way. But that still shows you a clear uptrend, right? You can see the market is clearly pushing to the upside. But this is on a 30 minutes time frame though. I like to see the trend clearly on a higher time frame like the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. You see that the market has been pushing upwards here. Now let's look at the daily. Since the 4 hours is not so clear, look at the daily. You can see, whoa, you can see more higher lows. You can see more higher lows. They are very clear. You can see more higher lows, right? They're very clear. More higher lows. You can see them, enough of them. How many higher lows can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 higher lows. 5 reversal structures. That's what I mean by higher lows. 5 reversal structures that is pushing to the upside. All right, it's pushing to the upside. Now, if I place my trend line like this clarifies what I'm talking about. This shows you a clear uptrend. Now look at how price bounces back whenever it gets to that trend line. It bounces back upwards, right? You can see it goes back upwards. All right, and whenever it goes back upwards, it tends to reverse around the previous high, or probably just go above it a bit and then reverses to create another high. And then reverses, right? It goes above it to create another high and then reverses, comes back to the previous low, which is the higher low now, right? And then pushes back upwards. Okay, now look at that. Also, you have in mind that the market is printing more of the bullish momentum, the bullish candlesticks on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is a powerful time frame. All right, so having in mind that the market is in a bullish direction, right? It is pushing to the upside. Using your trend line, your whatever you want to whatever you use to identify an uptrend or a downtrend in the market. All right, you can see that the market is going upwards. It's very clear. Okay, now what do you want to do? You want to be buying at this point. You want to be buying. Now, do you want to just jump into the market and buy? No way. You don't want to do that, right? You want to have a perfect entry. So you have seen the market direction. You have seen that the buyers are of more the buyers have more momentum in the market right now. So switching to the lower time frame, you can see it's the same thing. It keeps going that way. The buyers are putting more energy in the market. Okay, so we want to switch to a lower time frame. You can see even the 1 hour time frame is still printing more of the bullish structure, right? The bullish pressure. All right, it has more bullish pressure than the opposite, right? So it keeps going, guys. So switching to a lower time frame, you want to have a support level where you want to be trading from. Now look at this. You can see that the market had created a somewhat uptrend here. Even in the, we all know the market is in an uptrend already, but inside the, when you switch from time frame to time frame, you could still spot these trends, like smaller trends inside of this other trend that you've seen already. What I'm saying is, on the 4 hours time frame, we saw an uptrend, right? We want to look for an uptrend in a lower time frame, like the 30 minutes, like the 15 minutes. All right, now we have another trend, another uptrend in the inside the 4 hours trend that we spotted already, right? You can see that here price just keeps doing the same thing that was happening on the 4 hours time frame. All right, price just keeps doing the same thing that is happening on the 4 hours time frame. Permit me to use the arrows. Yeah, okay, so you can see it also is creating the higher lows and the higher highs on this time frame. All right, so that's just what we needed. Now you have seen that price coming from beneath, gets to this level, drops back to that place, forms another structure here, and then pushes back upwards. All right, now we have a spot where we want to place our trend line. 1, 2, right? We have 2 lows here, and we also have 2 highs here, right? Now placing your trend line, connecting your trend line from the first low here to the next one, it gives you the next opportunity to place your trade around that trend line. Now this market was around here when before I entered the trade, and then when it dropped to this level, I had already I had in mind already that I want to be buying, right? So as it drops to this support level here, that was my opportunity to buy, and I did that thing, and then boom, I'm in maximum profit right now, guys. You can see how simple it is. It is very easy. You don't need to stress. But if this seems too complicated for you, you can always reach out to me on my WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp number on the description of this video. I will also drop my free Telegram link so that you can join in and be a part of what we have. You can make a good amount of money for yourself, even on the free group, because a lot of people are making money from the free group too. All right, so join us, be a part of what we have. Also, like this video, smash the like button, please. Do it for me, do it for me. I'm doing these things for free, so please return the favor, guys. Just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay glued, guys. I'm bringing more of this information your way, guys. Peace.